today, I'm gonna tell you first. I have Future Beach Angler 144. Does not come with a seat or anything like that. You just sit on the plastic and on top of it. So, got tired of it about 3 hours in, 2 hours in, something like that, your butt goes numb. Alright, so I'm tired of that. So, I went to Home Depot, bought two pieces of 3/4 by 1/16 by 36 inches tubing, aluminum tubing. And I've already started on this one, making the bracket to sit across. And I don't know. I know you're in the way. There it is. But I made this one to go across. And I did not cut it all the way to where it's all the way flat right here, because these little sides right here had to give it more strength to hold my big ass up. So, but I did want to make it out of aluminum instead of steel, because the one thing I did like about this kayak, it was light. Sweating up a storm. But I don't want to add no more weight to it than I have to. I know the seat's made out of steel, but I wanted to make the frame and everything out of aluminum, which I think it should be lighter instead of using steel, but not too much lighter. But anywhere I can save weight, I will, in case I ever have to carry this thing one day. But this is the seat. Oh, calm down. This is the seat I got from Dunham. It's a bleacher seat. It's got the little rubber things on the bottom of it and everything. So, but it's gonna be a whole lot softer than sitting on that hard plastic, and it folds right back up. So I think it's gonna be awesome.